What's going on? So today we got a video from Uncovered, and the title of the video is Police Teach Entitled Brat She Doesn't Make the Rules. So let's get into the video. Let's see what they talking about here.
Man, come over here.
I pee right now?
No, come over here.
She got to pee. I pee right now. I got a whole top on her. But she got to
Man, stop this. You're under.
A simple traffic stop turns into a humiliating arrest when this entitled brat refuses to comply until police let her pee in the street.
Hey, what's going on? Hey, why'd you go through that red light for? I understand, but you're like swerving over the road, man. You know that, right? Come on. Hey, do you have insurance? That's what I was trying to ask you before you roll up the window on me. I'm sorry? Yeah. Where are those roaches in the center console, ma'am?
I'm sorry.
Huh? Are those roaches in the center console? Roaches. Are those blunts in there, down there? Huh? Okay. There's nothing illegal in the car, is there?
Smoking in the car.
Nothing illegal in the car, is there? I'm sorry?
Yes.
What? What did I just say?
The legal owner.
I gotta ask, have you been drinking, ma'am? Ma'am?
No.
Have you been drinking?
Yeah, she has.
Is there anything
Yes, she
illegal
has.
in the car?
No.
Got the insurance?
Yeah.
I gotta ask, have you been drinking, ma'am? You see anything on your side?
I mean, there's a black bag up behind her purse. I can't tell there's anything in it, though.
Looks like she spilled something. I see something spilled on the driver's side, or the passenger side.
What's all this? She's throwing something out?
I think she, probably was,
While she was driving?
Excuse me.
Okay, go ahead, spit if you want. Hey, ma'am, do me a favor. Step out of the car, please.
Her brother shows up and tries to distract the officers, while she sneaks off to dump bottles of alcohol from her car.
Who are you? Okay, take your hands out of your pockets.
I ain't got nothing in my pocket.
Okay, step over there.
Shit. I'm just asking questions.
Step over here.
Don't
It's
touch
the middle.
me.
Okay, back
Don't
on the
touch me,
sidewalk.
Please.
It's a traffic stop.
What's the problem?
I don't know why you pulled her over. You pulled her over for a reason.
But I'm just asking a question, bro.
Okay, well, he's conducting whatever he's conducting, and then we'll be done with her, okay?
I'm saying, what's the problem, though?
Huh?
What's
I don't
the
know why.
problem?
I don't know why
I
she
just
got
called
pulled over.
her to come and get the car. She let me use the car because I went to the
Okay,
club.
well, she's driving the car now.
I'm a little drunk. You feel me?
she's
So I let her
driving
drive to come get the car, bro. Like, what's the problem? I just want to know what's going on.
I don't know.
Hey, do me a favor, sir. Wait on the side over there. Wait on the side over there. Come over here. Come over here. Come over here.
Move you out.
Man, have you been drinking? Ma'am, have you been drinking?
No.
Okay, are you earlier in the day? Okay, do me a favor, step over here.
I'm trying to see.
I understand, but I need you to step over here, okay?
10 to 12. You need me to make my way down there?
Come over here. Come here, ma'am, right here.
They didn't say what the f pulled you over.
I did. She went right through a red light on East Avenue in Roosevelt. And you said you had to pee. Ma'am, come over here.
Still gotta pee.
Ma'am, come over here.
I pee right now?
No, come over
She
here.
got to pee. I wanted to piss on herself. Let her piss
Ma'am.
right there.
No.
And
She
then
can piss right there.
will.
Ma'am, do me a favor,
saying-
sir.
all I'm saying
Sir,
is-
do me a favor. We're in the middle of a traffic stop right now.
Where you
Stand
going?
over there, okay?
She finna open the door so she can pee, bro. She got to use it.
You can't pee
Come
right
on,
there.
y'all don't hear that?
Sir, do me a favor.
Step over here.
Okay?
I'm saying, if you got the piss, bro, you gonna pull over and piss. If you
No.
in your car, you gonna pull over and piss, bro.
Where are you going?
She trying to
Man.
do it.
Oh, they a hot mess,
Damn,
boy.
y'all don't understand.
I got a whole top on her.
But she got to
You
use
see it, right?
We're going to get back to the video in just 1 second. But first, I want to tell you that my YouTube mentorship program is now open. That means I'm gonna help you grow your YouTube channel from 0 to monetization. That means that you will be able to start earning money on YouTube, whether you want to do this full-time or you want to do it part-time just to have a little side money. Who doesn't like side money? I don't know who. It comes with a course, private access to me to ask me any questions or anything like that that you need, and a bunch of different other stuff. Click the link in the description and sign up today. It's only $30. That's $1 a day. Back to the video.
I had a whole top on her.
But she got the
You see it, right? A top, you see it?
Damn.
Which one, right? Which one?
Use it. Go and use it.
I'm trying to see. What the f***? Should I pee or no?
No.
Piss in your car then. Damn, my motherfucker can't use the bathroom? Man, we got insurance, all that shit. I just had her come and get me.
Back up over here.
What?
The
All she wanna
heck
do
is
is open
going
that,
on?
open the door, and
She's
open.
got a ticket if she pisses.
I'll pay it.
Come here.
Stop there.
they
Stop
talking
back
about.
and talk to the officer.
Go see what they talking about. God damn, if a motherfucker gotta use it, damn.
Listen, you've been drinking. I know you've been drinking. You're swerving all over the road. You went through that red light over there, okay?
When you gotta pee, you pull this motherfucker over. We got this.
The lady just put her gun on me.
Who pulled your gun on you?
They gone now.
Who? Where did this happen at? You're not making this up, are you?
No.
Okay, what happened?
We was at the club.
What club? Where at?
The motherfucking scoreboard.
Scoreboards?
In the license.
Okay, someone pulled a gun on you? Okay, did you know who it was that pulled the firearm on you?
Don't know this.
What color was the firearm?
Black.
Did they brandish it or they physically pointed it at you?
Chicago PD.
I'm sorry? How'd you know
It was more in their purse.
So you seen a firearm?
Yes.
Okay, you got into altercation with who?
Y'all motherfuckers trying to, man, y'all.
You know who they are or no? I gotta ask these questions.
I don't know their name, no.
Okay, were you at school? I understand you gotta pee, man. Okay? But you can't be pissing right over here.
I didn't.
I understand. Do me a favor, hey, Gonzalez. Gonzalez. Just do me a favor, watch her. Stand right here. I don't want. Come away from the middle of the street.
Tell me go this way.
Y'all still ain't left. Stay right here. You're gonna stick it down. She got to use it.
Stay back over there.
She can't take it.
Right here.
Don't give her the ticket, man. Let her use the fucking bathroom. No, don't do it. Don't do it.
Get back on the sidewalk. If I gotta tell you again, you're getting cuffed.
I'm just talking to her, bro. It's like you act like I'm
She
comes back to a no for robbery.
What type of Jerry Springer shit is this?
To a no for weapons offense. 2 and 1 for assault. 3 and 0 for obstructing justice. 15 and 1 for traffic.
on lane, man. Up out of here.
Sorry for repeat that
Doing
one.
all that tough ass shit because you can lock them off.
15 and 1 for traffic offense.
Come on, man.
And it looks like last run by Chicago PD for...
Hey, man, come over here real quick. I don't know why you're calling on my car phone. You told us to stand right here.
Come over here. Come over here.
Y'all acting extra.
Hey, you wanted to perform a series of SFSTs, standardized field sobriety tests?
What's that? My legs, you see my legs already crooked.
Okay, do you want to perform them or not?
No, I got to pee.
Okay, just do me a favor, turn around, put your head behind your back. Because you're under arrest for,
I'll perform it. I'll perform it.
Okay, no, you can't.
I said I'll
Man,
perform it.
stop this. You're under arrest. Stop.
Let me go. I said I'll perform it.
Stop. It's too late for that now. Stop.
Stop. Stop.
Or took no surprise.
I'll do it.
You just
got it?
said she'll do it.
Yes. I just said I'll do it. Go. Let it go.
Stop moving. Stop resisting. Stop resisting.
Please. Don't do that. Please.
Well, one o'clock.
Well, 150, yeah, 151.
I'll do that. Please.
Stop moving.
I gotta pee.
Relax, you're gonna go pee at the station now.
Damn, bro. Damn.
That'd be the worst.
This hurt
You
right
gotta,
here.
when you be drinking and you gotta pee,
Wait, this hurt.
you can't really control it.
The quicker we get to the station, the quicker we can take it off. You're right.
Which car? Hey, hey, Gonzalez.
Excuse me,
That's your
sweetheart.
purse. Get that from me.
Don't you? He didn't. I didn't have it, so don't get in my shit. Don't get in my shit, bro.
We're gonna get your purse.
Why?
You want the purse?
I don't want it.
Oh, no.
Shit, I don't want. Cause why y'all locking me up? Right. Goofy ass people.
Back up.
Hop on in. I will. I'll put you to the bathroom, okay? Put your foot in.
Who? No, there's keys in there I need. Yeah. I didn't get to search it, but.
I did.
Okay.
Oh, I did. Little one.
Thanks. So this woman went through the stop or the red light over at near one. Continued to go eastbound, didn't stop. Kind of like going around, swerving. Stopped right here. Made contact. She was kind of off. Said she had a pee, and then she's telling me that just right now that someone pointed a firearm at her over at. Okay. So I was asked if she was intoxicated.
Closed for now, right?
Yeah. Showed signs of being intoxicated. She kept blowing her window up when I was asking her insurance. I don't know who she was talking to. Someone on the phone, maybe here, because he ended up coming up later. So
He just like walked up here?
yeah, I thought someone was singing, but I guess he was yelling all the way from the gas station. So
Well, he said that she was his designated driver.
huh?
He just said that she was his designated driver.
Well, yeah, that's yeah, no.
But he wasn't even in the car at all.
No, he was right over. He came from all the way over there from Ridgeville. That's when I first noticed him walking yelling. Yeah, she was on her phone and all that stuff. Kept rolling the window up on me. I'm not quite sure what this was. I think she may have pissed out the window. I'm not quite sure, but.
The suspect was charged with resisting arrest, driving under the influence, disorderly conduct, tampering with evidence, obstruction, and running a red light. If you enjoyed the video, be sure.
Tampering with evidence. So they must, whatever she threw out the window or whatever, they must have figured out that that was alcohol or something. Because how did she get the tampering with evidence? That don't really make too much sense to me. But damn. All because of a red light. Golly, I'm tired. It's all right. It's all right. We knocking these videos out, man. We knocking these videos out. But I don't know what in the Jerry Springer this was. The brother out there hooting and hollering. How the hell is she gonna be the designated driver and she drunk because you drunk? No, come on now. What type of sense does that make? Does nobody believe in Uber nowadays? Like, it's right on your phone. Uber, Lyft, any one of those? No? Nothing? God damn.
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you, no FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.